Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. We flew thermal inspections over large solar sites for one reason. The most expensive defects are usually not obvious from the ground. A module can look normal in daylight and still be dragging down a string. That is why hidden defects matter so much in utility-scale operations. In this video, I want to walk through 10 defects. Thermal drones are exceptionally good at surfacing when the data is reviewed properly, not as a gimmick. As a faster way to narrow thousands of modules into a short list of assets that deserve action. Number 1, hotspots. Number 2, bypass diode failures. Number 3, inactive substrings. Number 4, cell cracks creating abnormal heat signatures. Number 5, connector heating. Number 6, fuse-related imbalance patterns. Number 7, mismatch across neighboring modules. Number 8, row-level underperformance clusters. Number 9, thermal signatures linked to tracker behavior. Number 10, repeat defect patterns across identical hardware batches. Now, a quick note before anyone says this sounds too automated. The drone does not solve the defect. The drone reveals the anomaly. The intelligence comes from linking that anomaly to asset metadata, operating conditions, and expected production behavior. That distinction matters. A hot module is not a diagnosis. It is evidence. The value comes when AI helps classify whether that evidence points to a likely diode problem, connection issue, soiling artifact, shading behavior, or deeper module degradation. Here is why this changes watch time in operations, not just in videos. A manual review process can leave teams buried in images. An AI-assisted workflow compresses that review into ranked findings. Instead of staring at hundreds of frames, you focus on the thermal events that have the highest probability of real yield loss. Midway recap. We have covered the visible defect list. The bigger advantage is what happens next. Pattern recognition across the whole plant. This is where AI thermal workflows outperform one-off inspections. They do not just say, this module is hot. They say, this exact defect class is repeating in one inverter block on one hardware family under similar loading conditions. That turns isolated troubleshooting into fleet learning. And that saves time. Not a vague amount of time. Real hours that engineers would have spent sorting, labeling, and debating what deserves escalation. If you want thermal inspections to be more than pretty heat maps, the workflow has to end in action. Detect the anomaly. Classify the likely cause. Rank the revenue impact. Then dispatch the field team with context, not guesswork. That first step solves visibility. The next one is what protects uptime. Building a defect library so every new inspection gets smarter than the last one. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.